Hi there. If compression stockings are part of your daily routine, the Doff and Donner Cone and Rolly combo by Sigvaris can make your life significantly easier while putting your stockings on, as well as when taking them off. Let's start with putting them on using the Cone and Rolly combo. First, place the cone on a flat surface. Then, with the stocking turned right side out, pull it down over the cone, all the way to the toe. Now, pull the rolly down over both the stocking and cone. Then, pull the top band of the compression stocking up over the rolly and gently pull it to flatten out the toe seam. This smoothly and quickly loads the stocking. Then, place the toe seam at your toes with the heel of the stocking on the floor and simply roll it up your leg. No pulling or straining. Your stocking glides on smoothly. And when it's time to take them off, just reverse the motion. Roll it back down your leg and the stocking comes off in one easy motion. We recommend the combo, but the Doff and Donner Rolly can be used alone. Simply place the stocking on your arm, pull the rolly up, fold the stocking band down over the rolly, and continue pulling the rolly down and then up again on your arm to secure the stocking band. Then roll it down and off your arm and follow the same steps as before to put the stockings on your feet. It may take a few practice rounds to become comfortable with the motion, but once you do, it will become second nature. The Doff and Donner by Sigvaris is fast, simple, takes the hassle out of your daily routine, and helps you stay independent and comfortable.